I look gross.
Well, we are on our way to the beach, the dunes. Chesterton,
Indiana.
We have the car all packed, somewhat. We've got our new chairs, a new cooler, both hats. We also got our bag of food here and a canister with our water in it. Brooke has obviously been in my car and has ridden in the driver's seat because I can't get my knees in. I can't get my knees in.
I snorted again.
Gotta get gas.
See that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing
We made it.
We got all our stuff.
People are in the water. There are waves.
Almost lost my hat. My chin strap. Oh, look at all these umbrellas.
We good. We were worried that we couldn't take all of our stuff in.
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry.
All right, we're here.
We're here.
We got it set up, and we're here. And we already had our sandwiches. They were really good.
They were, oh yes.
Turkey, tomato, lettuce, paleo mayo, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper on wheat bread. It was really good. You'll have to try it.
And then we had lentil chips
Yeah.
and popcorn
Yeah.
and cheese curds.
And cheese curds. So, it was very good. I don't know if I'm going to get in the water. It's a little cold.
We're gonna wait till we're blistering hot.
And then go.
Well,
Got in the water. And it's about like negative 25 degrees.
it's cold.
It's not Florida water. So,
Also, fresh water because we
all
forgot
these
we're in a
people-
lake.
yeah. It's no salt.
It's very deceiving. We thought we were in an ocean.
Only reason that all these people are out there being able to swim is because their bodies have numbed to how cold that water is. I'm telling you. I think I see a glacier.
Vala Brooke Johnston, reading Redeeming Love for the first time. This day will go down in history. July 31st, 2016.
You're so dramatic.
How many times will she read it before tomorrow? 1, 2, 3, 4.
That's enough. They ordered a pizza over there though. Found this necklace on the beach.
We will be taking it to
The lifeguard station.
Jess. Look how it sparkles. Drink some water, friend.
You first.
You second. I mean,
Yeah.
So we're done with the beach, and now we were trying to find a place to get our nails done.
Closes in 9 minutes. Closes in 9 minutes. Closed. Closed. We're not getting our nails done today.
Okay, so plan B
Go home.
and grill out. Someone had no brakes, she said. The back of their car was beat up.
Someone had no brakes, she said.
Okay, so we're back at home. We've changed. We're sunburned. We are getting ready to grill out. Brooke doesn't know what she's doing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Looks good, Brooke.
It said, unfold flap and light bag.
Okay, well, what are we making, Brooke?
We're making hamburgers from Yoder's Meat and Cheese because we both work for Bluegate, so we're in Amish country. So there's a Yoder's Meat and Cheese down the road. And we got beef from there, beef patties that are Chipotle seasoned. So we're making hamburgers and fried green tomatoes and corn from Sweet Corn Charlie's, which is a farmer's market right on the corner.
And while we're eating our corn, we're going to watch
Nacho Libre.
Get the corn out of my face!
I hope this is right.
Interesting. She got it.
What are you doing?
So
Anna Maria locked us out of the house.
I did not.
Yes, she did. She was the last one out. I said, we're going to go out here and warm up these hamburgers with the cheese on it. And then when we turned around to walk back inside, the door was locked and she was the last one out.
You were the one to open the door, and when you opened it, you pressed the button.
No.
I did not touch the door after that.
No. Well, it has been a long day. We have gone to the beach and we have grilled out the food and we got locked out of the house, and now we're about to sit down and watch our favorite movie, Nacho Libre, while we eat corn. So, it has been a blast and we'll catch you next time. Bye.
One more thing. Don't go yet, because we're making s'mores.